This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on this 2019 Kawasaki KX450. I have this 2019 Kawasaki KX450, and servicing your air filter is one of the most important things you can do to take care of your machine. Kawasaki recommends to service your air filter after every race or 2.5 hours. So I'm going to show you how to do that. To do this job, you'll need an 8 and 10 millimeter socket or T-handle, rags, safety glasses, and your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. I'm using this twin air filter kit that we offer here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC because it comes with everything you need to do the job. But we also offer a number of cleaners and filter oils if you'd like to do it a different way. To begin, we're starting with our motorcycle on a center stand to help keep it stable while we do this job. Let's remove the side cover with using our 8 and 10 millimeter T-handles. Now while removing your air filter, be careful not to drop any dirt into the air box. Sometimes that will happen. Just make sure that you clean that out before you reinstall your filter. Now that we've got the filter out, let's clean the air box out. I'm going to put a rag inside the air box just to make sure that we don't potentially get any dirt in there. And then we'll use a rag in this contact cleaner to clean out the inside of the air box. Now the reason I like to use this twin air filter cleaning kit is because it comes with everything. It comes with solvent, it comes with contact cleaner, and it comes with oil, gloves, everything you need to do this. So let's clean our air filter. We'll start by removing the cage inside the air filter. We'll start by just dipping the cage in just to get whatever dirt and oil off of it. Next, we'll stick our filter in there. Now you don't want to wring your filter or pull on it hard. You just want to slowly sponge it to get all the dirt off and oil out of it. Now let's take some water and we'll rinse off the solvent off of our inner cage and our filter. You can use your garden hose as well. Just want to rinse off the solvent and let it dry. Now if you have paper towel, you can use that as well to help dry it quicker, or just let it sit out in the sun or sit out for a while. But I'll just take it and I'll just kind of wrap it up with it and squish it together to get all the excess water out as much as I can, just to speed the process up. Now that you've got your filter dry, go ahead and inspect it. You want to look for tears or holes anywhere, if any of the seams have come apart. You just want to go over it really good and just make sure that there's no places that dirt could potentially get through. We also offer a number of air filters that come pre-oiled, and you could just pull your old one out and throw the new one in. I mean, make sure to clean your air box out, but to save you some of the hassle of doing this. But this way it saves you a little bit of money, but you can buy them pre-oiled. Now we want to take our air filter and we want to submerge it in the oil and then pull it out and slowly squish out the excess oil and work its way around the filter so that it gets spread out evenly. But we want to squish out as much of the excess oil as we can before we install it back into the bike. Now you can see that the oil is spread out evenly and it's well saturated, but not too much excess. So now let's put the filter cage in it and we'll install it in the bike. Now make sure when you put the cage in that the location pins line up with your filter so that it's on there correctly. Now some guys like to put a little grease on the seal right here, but if you've done this right and you've cleaned this out and you have sufficient oil on your filter, you shouldn't have a problem. If you're a little concerned about it, you can go ahead and put some grease around the seam here just to make sure that no dirt gets by there as well. But I've saturated this well enough that I'm not worried about that. Remember to remove the rag that you put in the air boot. Now it's a good idea to reach back around the back side of the filter and make sure that it's on the right way. Now that we've got that installed, let's install the side cover and we'll go ahead and fire up the bike. And that's it. That's all there is to servicing your air filter on your KX450. If you need more parts, apparel, and accessories, come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. Catch you next time.